In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively search and replace in Microsoft Excel. Whether you're trying to locate specific data or perform a more complex lookup, mastering this feature can greatly improve your efficiency and accuracy in handling spreadsheets. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll explore how to open the Find dialog. The quickest way to do this is by pressing Ctrl+F on your keyboard. If you prefer using the menu, you can navigate to the Home tab, click on Find and select, and then choose Find. This will bring up a dialog box where you can begin to define your search criteria. In the Find What box, you'll type in the term or data you're looking to locate. This feature is especially useful when you're dealing with large volumes of data and need to find information quickly. Once your search term is entered, you have two initial options. You can click on Find Next if you want to go through the results term by term, which is particularly useful if you need to verify each instance individually. Alternatively, you can click on Find All to generate a list of all matches. This option also allows you to navigate directly to any of the results, which can save you a lot of time. Now, if your search requires a bit more specificity, you'll want to click on Options. Here, you'll find an array of settings to refine your search. You have the option to search within just the current sheet or expand your search to include the entire workbook. Depending on what you're looking for, you can choose to search in formulas, values, comments, or notes. This can be incredibly helpful if you're aware that the information is stored in a specific format. Additionally, you can determine the direction of your search by opting to move by rows or by columns, depending on how your data is organized. There are options to enable match case, ensuring the search respects capitalization, and match entire cell contents if you need your search term to match exactly with the content of a cell. And finally, using the Format option will allow you to search for cells with specific formatting. This feature can be very powerful when you're trying to find, say, all bold or colored cells. When it comes to replacing text, you'll want to open the Replace dialog by pressing Ctrl+H. Here, you'll enter the text you want to replace in the Find What box and the new text in the Replace with box. You can then choose to replace each instance as you review them, or replace all if you're confident with the change. One helpful tip: before making replacements, use the Find Next option to preview each change. It's also wise to save a copy of your file before making large-scale replacements. This way, you can easily undo any changes if needed, avoiding potential mistakes. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to navigating Excel's search and replace functions to enhance your data management with ease.